He forcefully stops a sneeze mid-explosion. His face tightens instantly. Everything suddenly freezes. It looks harmless, like he just held it in. But inside, pressure has nowhere to escape. His nose and throat lock the airflow completely. The force shoots backward instead of outward. He feels a strange pop deep in his head, like something shifted where it shouldn't. Most people think holding sneezes is safer. Less mess, less noise, nothing serious. But the pressure builds extremely fast, faster than your body can safely handle. Tiny air pathways suddenly take the hit. Areas not meant to absorb that force. His ears start ringing slightly. Vision blurs for a second, unexpectedly. Then the pressure slowly fades away. Everything feels normal again. Almost. It looked controlled, but it went the wrong way. Right back to where it started.